Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we'll dive into best Venmo alternative if you can't use it internationally. So here's the breakdown. If Venmo doesn't work in your country, there are simple and reliable options you can use instead. So one of the best option is Wise. Wise is one of the best for international transfer because it uses the real exchange rate and low with clear fee. Another one is PayPal or Zoom. They also provide easy choice, especially if you are sending money quickly to friends or family abroad. For regular international payment, Remitly and World Remit are great for fast transfer and flexible payout options like bank deposit or mobile money. Revolut is also perfect if you travel often, letting you send and hold multiple currency in the app. So this option work globally and are built for cross-border payment. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe for more easy money tips and comment which app you would like to use first. And that's it.